It's not real.
No. Well, it was real, but you see, I got sick and all the hair fell out, so I had to wear this thing.
How'd you get sick?
I loved a woman who wasn't clean.
Mrs. Santa?
That was her sister.
Make a square. The size is up to your design. Make these creases. Fold from top corner to center. Fold up the corner from center to top to make a crease, then unfold. This time, fold the corner from center to crease. Then do another horizontal fold from this edge to this crease. Then make another fold using the previous crease. Next step is making Santa's beard. Make a horizontal fold from the bottom corner to top edge. Then from the top corner, fold down. Flip the paper. Next step is making Santa's sleeves. Fold ½ inch in this edge. Do the same fold in the other edge. Make a fold here, by pulling this top edge then aligning it here. Then do the same fold in the other side. Make this vertical fold. Next step is aligning this bottom edge in here. We are almost done. We have accomplished making Santa's hat, beard and left sleeves. Do the same folds at the other side. Congratulations! Your Paper Santa Claus is complete. Merry Christmas!